Hello, everyone. This is Terry with Futures.io, and as always, I'd like to thank you for joining us today. It's my pleasure to welcome Rob Livson, VP of Business Development at Lightspeed, for today's webinar introducing the home of professional traders. Throughout the webinar, if you have a question, please be sure to type them in the questions box. We'll do our best to answer them at the end of the event. This webinar will be recorded and posted on the Futures.io website within 24 to 48 hours. If you're watching this afterwards on YouTube, please do us a favor and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the webinar. And as always, please feel free to share, comment, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. For trading news, events, and information, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter using @Futures.io. And now, without further delay, I'll hand over to Rob, and you'll get the pop-up to share your screen again. Okay, looking good. She's all yours.
Okay, great. Thank you, Terry. Thank you, everyone, for joining us here today. My name is Rob Livson, VP of Business Development here at Lightspeed. Today's topic is introducing the home of the professional traders. We wanted to just introduce ourselves to the customer base and the users of the Futures.io website, just to show what Lightspeed offers in regards to providing services that professional traders need and will be able to be successful with. Before we get started, of course, we have to do our quick compliance disclosure and disclaimer here, so just hang with me here. Futures trading involves substantial risk of loss, not suitable for all investors. Each investor must consider whether this is a suitable investment, since you may lose all or more of your investment. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Presentations for informational purposes only. Nothing presented today should be construed as investment advice or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold a security or contract. Since we don't know everyone's investment objectives or risk tolerance, we're not endorsing any specific strategies. We have our full disclosures on the Lightspeed website. Certainly take your time to review them and to know your risk tolerance, your investment objectives, and consider whether this is the suitable path for investment for you. Once again, my name is Rob Livson. If anyone has a request for information on a demo for the CQG eFutures software or for any of the suite of the Lightspeed software offerings for futures trading or even stocks and equity options trading, please feel free to contact me, or if you're looking to open an account, it's limebrokerage.com. You can certainly check us out on our website, and we're just going to go over some of our platform offerings, our cost structure of the services that we provide, just to be able to show you what Lightspeed can offer and everything that we provide. So just a little bit about myself. I have been in the brokerage industry for just about 20 years. I've had my Series 7 around 2001 or 2. I've an options principal, a futures representative. I have Series 7, Series 24, Series 3, Series 4, 55, 24, so fully licensed. You know, that's what you get with the Lightspeed staff as well. We are all industry professionals. We've been in the business for quite a long time. We have seen a lot of different scenarios, a lot of markets moving up and down. So we are definitely prepared to handle your business and to help you with getting your account set up and providing you with the tools and structure that you need. We're very excited to be part of the Futures.io team here and being the ability to reach out to the customer base here. You can see I have the Futures.io website open, and there's also the Lightspeed review section here as well. So certainly we encourage people to take a look and comment and ask questions, and we're happy to go back and help with any of these questions about what we're talking about in this webinar, or just any questions about the offerings we have, and see if we can be a good fit to maintain your business for trading. Trading is definitely a business. You need the tools to be successful, and you need the business partners to be successful as well. So that's something that we strive to provide, the customer service and the tools for the needs of our customers. So you can see this is the Lightspeed website here. I'm going under the Futures tab. At first, we go over our commissions here, which we certainly can discuss, and we're open to have different structures involved depending on different account types. We have our demos that you can request here as well. One of our main platforms we offer is the CQG platform powered, it's sponsored by eFutures. You can request a demo and you get a nice trial. There's ability to have this through the web version and the mobile application. It's a very strong platform for charting and order entry, very fast and easy to utilize. We certainly provide access to all of the listed exchanges that you'd find the E-minis and other commodity products and currency products. So we offer CME, NYMEX, COMEX, CBOT, all the standard exchanges you're looking for. And we do also offer some European access as well. Another great resource on our website, we do have a guide to futures trading down here. So if you want more information, if you're getting started on trading futures, there's a lot of useful information, terms, definitions, and fundamental analysis on this guide here. So I definitely encourage people to check out our website, see our resources. We have a full set of blogs and articles that we provide here as well. You can see we have an active trading blog that discusses not only the futures markets, but the equity markets and how different scenarios are impactful and different market moves. So as you guys, I'm sure know, the markets have been moving pretty heavily lately. And you can see we have different categories here on our website. We have plenty of different trading platforms we offer in addition to the CQG platform. As far as account types, you can open individual accounts. We have joint accounts. You can have corporate accounts, partnerships. We do also cater to institutional funds as well, hedge funds, corporate accounts, so partnerships. So we do offer a wide range of services, not only for the individual trader, but for the more professional institutional accounts as well. Quickly here, we do have a new account promo as well. It's a great way to introduce yourself to our services and getting a little bit of a discount here. So it's a $10,000 up to credit. So you'll receive a rebate of 50% of your futures commissions with a funded account. So you essentially get a rebate back for half of our commissions after the first 3 months. So we have a tab there, and certainly if anyone's interested in taking advantage of that promo, you should certainly contact us. Just to go over our standard rates, our standard rate would be $1.29 per contract per side. Options would be slightly higher, plus all exchange fees as well. Now you can view all the margin and the exchange fees. We have this all listed on our website as well. You can find that in our resources tab under futures and also through that link through the futures tab as well. And it's a great way to see either the fees or where these symbols are traded or what their margin requirements are. So you can see we have the margin requirements, the initial and the overnight requirements. So we do allow overnight holdings as well. So that's another big advantage that we provide. Some of these smaller firms do not. So we do allow for intraday trading along with overnight holding. And these are the most popular contracts along with most of the ones that people tend to trade. But certainly if something is available, we can always look to add it if we don't have it on our list here. I wanted to discuss the CQG platform a little bit more. That is one of our stronger offerings. We have a great relationship with CQG. They have a couple different versions of this platform. The desktop version is the eFutures CQG platform. And we do have a dedicated webinar on the website under our resources tab under webinars, where you can view a full half-hour introduction to this platform. You can see, I could scroll through it quickly here. It accesses all these different environments. It has all these different technical studies and chart types. You can have a depth of market. There is mobile access. It's a very strong trading platform. Just scrolling through, you can take a quick look at how some of the charts would appear, how the chains would appear. We do offer options on futures as well, so you can easily trade those and sorry, it's a little blur here. It's loading up a little bit, but you can easily do a point and click for order entry. You can set up predefined spreads if you're looking to do options. So it's a very advanced platform, and you can have separate order tickets here as well, different increments to buy or sell. You can have all these predefined custom defaults for your order size, your order type, your limits as well. So it's something that a lot of our futures traders are using, and it's a great platform. You can see the desktop version as well. It offers a strong heat map. It offers strong charting and order entry as well. So just some quick screenshots here you can see. So I would definitely recommend people to take a look at this webinar. It's under the resources tab on the Lightspeed website as well. You can see it has an introduction to the software here. We have several other webinars as well. We have upcoming webinars here. For other trading platforms, we do offer Realtic as another futures trading platform. It's also a platform that maintains equity trading, so you can have more than one account on this platform. And we have other topics as well. We always have a very popular one about preparing your tax returns for trading professionals. This is hosted by Robert Green, Green Trader Tax. He's one of the forefront professionals in trader tax law and trader tax status. So this is something, it's free. You don't have to be a customer or a client of Lightspeed to join. So I definitely would suggest taking a look at this one. It provides a lot of useful information on how to prepare your tax returns and how your account can qualify for certain trader tax status. And of course, all these are recorded and put on our website as well, so you can find out. We have some from economists here. We have just other ones about our social media and different topics, including just our different trading platforms. And you can also view our futures platforms. We have a wide variety of futures platforms. So we do have the eFutures platform, that's the desktop web-based, and then we do have Realtic, and then we also offer a variety of advanced platforms, whether if it's the CME Direct, if you're just using CME products. We have Trading Technologies and Rhythmic if you're looking for automated solutions for API and black box trading, CTS T4 as well. These are a professional type institutional platforms that we do offer as well. So we range from the individual introductory account to the more advanced account types, institutional accounts. So we have a wide range of offerings as well. Typically, the account minimum is dependent on what platform you have. Our standard requirement would be 10,000 if you're looking for the CQG eFutures platform, and some of the advanced platforms would have a higher requirement. If you are looking to just use Lightspeed on the equities and option sides, we do also have a similar promotion for the 10K back on the equity side. So that is another promotion, and we do have a wide variety of trading platforms on the equity and option side as well, including specialized options software, web and mobile, our Lightspeed Trader software, Sterling. So we try to provide a lot of different solutions for our customers, give them the best service and tools possible to be successful at trading. Now, I don't want to oversell too much here. I'm just trying to give you an introduction to Lightspeed. Not everyone is familiar with us, but you can see if you take a look around the web, we are known for just our order routing destinations, our speed of data, our stability of services, and our customer service and support as well. So, that's our strength. That's what you'll find as our reputation, and we try to do everything we can to uphold that. If you called our support desk, you'd get someone on the line. You send an email, you're getting a response back very quickly. So I'd be happy to answer some questions now to see if your thoughts on just what people are looking for in a futures broker or a regular broker, or what kind of questions that you may have. So please feel free to start typing in some questions. Terry will be happy to pass them on, and I can go over some of the questions for you.
Okay, let's see. What kind of order types are available for equities? Do you have a market on close and limit on close orders available?
Absolutely. For equities, we have a wide range of order types available: market on open, on close, limit on open, on close. We offer access to dark pool routes, market maker routes, algo routes. We have midpoint pegged orders. We have hidden orders. We have a wide range of orders here. So if it's something that's widely used, chances are we would offer it, including standard stop orders, trailing stop orders. Different platforms will have different abilities to do different configurations, and we even do a lot of different custom orders as well. And you can do hotkeys and hot buttons for our futures platform on Realtic or on our equity platforms. You can set up various custom default and custom orders for hotkeys and hot buttons, which is one of the strengths of our platforms.
Okay, thank you. Can you outline the difference between your firm and a more standard broker like Ameritrade?
Well, I believe the support and service is what really separates us. We're not in the billion-dollar range as far as account value, so we do focus more individually on our account holders and provide a lot more personalized service. But the feedback we've had recently is just that our platforms are very stable. They're very strong and fast, and they're not being held up when markets are affected with a lot of flurry of activity. On the open, we stand very reliable, and market data and orders go through immediately, and we're just known for the ability to enter orders and execute orders very fast, and that's what separates us from some of the other larger brokers that may be bogged down by their activity.
Okay, awesome. That looks like the only questions at the moment.
Okay, and guys, we also do have a YouTube channel that we have a wide range of videos there as well, and commentary, and certainly, feel free to request a demo for any of our platforms on our website. You can go through and you can go and select various platforms that we have. So whether if it's our equity side or on the futures side, you can request a demo very easily and test out all the software. 1 to 2 week trials, no obligations, able to do paper trading and simulate orders and testing. And we're always happy to schedule training sessions, one-on-one individual sessions to get you up to speed with our platforms and getting you up and running as fast as possible and getting comfortable. So that's another one of our main benefits here, is that we really try to work individually with our accounts.
Do we trade through a VPN using your service, or?
We do have the ability to run through a VPN, but the standard connection is just internet based. But you can set up a VPN if you wanted to, but the standard connections would be a standard internet connection.
Okay.
Just to go over some of the resources previously asked, on our resources tab here, you can see we have order entry documentation on open on close orders, stop, pegged orders, different algo routes that we do offer here, VWAP, TWAP as well. Alternative, we have our manual and guides here as well. So we provide a lot of resources on our website, and this is where you would view that information here as well.
Okay. What are the commissions like?
On the future side,
Yes.
our starting rate would be $1.29 per contract. A good way to introduce is through our promo to get half of that back after your 3 months are up. And we're always willing to take a look at your activity. And if you qualify for lower rates, we're happy to negotiate that and take a look. But our starting rate would be the $1.29.
Okay. What are your intraday margins on the ES E-mini?
Typically, we can approve you for 50% of the exchange requirement. We can look to even do 25%, but we do utilize the exchange margin requirements. We don't offer some of the really low rates that maybe some of the smaller futures clearing firms would offer, allowing $500 or $1,000 per contract. That's not something we offer. As far as risk goes, we tend to be a little bit more risk adverse and follow the exchange requirements. So you can see we do have the where is it here? Sorry. On the margins and fees, we show the standard exchange requirement. The initial requirement would be for the E-mini, which has just gone up by the exchange, is up to 7,200. You can qualify for 50% requirement, which would be 3,600. Some accounts can qualify for up to 25% of that, but that would be, we do base all of our requirements off of the standard exchange requirements.
Okay. How do your executions compare to other brokers?
Well, as far as futures executions, these are routed directly through the exchanges. They're going to CME or CBOT, so these are as fast as they come. These are going right through these trading software and our route providers right to the exchanges. They are immediately executed, so you would not find much faster than going right through these exchanges. On the equity side, we do use various routing providers, and they are still always configuring their algorithms to try to provide the fastest executions and the best possible execution as possible. So, you know, that's something we are known for, is the speed of our execution and our ability to route orders through various routing providers and routing selections.
Okay, that's all the questions at the moment.
Okay, well, I mean, if that's all the questions we have, certainly, you know, we probably will get a lot of feedback from the webinar once it's posted to the YouTube channel. And certainly, guys, take a look, go through all our links on the website, take a look at what we offer, and certainly feel free to contact us. You can use the website to have contact us directly, or you can certainly call or email us, and we're happy to help you with getting a demo up and running. If you're looking to open a new account and try us, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help.
Awesome.
As I said, support and service is one of our strengths as well. So you can see under our support tab here, you can contact us here, 1-888-577-3123, or you can use our contact us form if you have a question as well. That goes right to our box, and we ticket it, and we get an answer to you very quickly as well.
Awesome. Thank you for the webinar, the information, and for spending some time with us this evening, Rob.
Thanks. We appreciate you guys having us. Hope to hear from some guys with some questions, and certainly we're very excited to see if some guys will start asking some questions on your board and putting some reviews and comments, and so we can start some conversations and see where that goes.
Absolutely. If you're watching this YouTube later, you can contact Lightspeed directly through the website. You can visit their Ask Me Anything thread on futures.io. And if you enjoy the webinar, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, have a good night, Rob.
Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Thank you.